As an ordinary Friday afternoon quickly turned into a meteorological nightmare that would leave the entire community reeling. The first signs of the storm appeared around 2:30 p.m. local time. The sky rapidly darkened, and within minutes, golf ball-sized hailstones began pummeling the city. Witnesses describe a deafening noise, comparable to thousands of hammers simultaneously striking rooftops. Sarah Mpumalanga, a Middleburg resident, testified, "It was terrifying. The hailstones were so large they were shattering our car windows. My entire garden was completely destroyed in less than 5 minutes. I've lived here for 30 years and never seen anything like it." The storm lasted approximately 20 minutes, but its effects were felt far beyond that time frame.